Okay, so it's not a Riley Elf. It's a Wolseley 444. I've stupidly brought this, possibly. It's flood damaged. I'm just currently removing the interior. There was no floor, but it looks pretty good. Solid from what's left of it. I need to take the tank out fairly quickly, give that a good clean. The head's not on it when it was flooded, and the interior was out of it. But it's okay, I think. It's complete. All the bits that you can't see here are in the house. I would open the bonnet, but I'm not sure if the bonnet catch is going to work. Can't even see the bonnet catch. Well, maybe have a look at that in a minute. But anyway, she was in partial restore and then she got flooded. And this is hopefully a short restoration and get this back on the road as soon as possible. My mate's got space in the garage to do the floor, and the rear shock mounts need attention. But otherwise, the engine, all the parts of the engine that have been reconditioned are all with it. It's also got a what do you call it? It's also got upgraded springs, not shells, springs, push rods, valves to go on. So in theory, it was originally 44 brake. It may, I'm not sure how, but it may bring it up to about 80 brake. So we'll see. But anyway, I'm currently stripping it and cleaning it, which I think I can do today as a bit of a start on it. Anyway, hope all is well with everybody. Happy New Year.